Next we come to echo and reverberation. In auditoriums, concert halls, or cinema halls, we hear repeated sounds. This repetition of sound is due to reflection from the walls and roof of the auditoriums. And these repeated sounds give rise to the phenomena of echo and reverberation. Before going further into it, let's discuss, what is the basic cause of this echo and reverberation, or say what give rise to this echo and reverberation. So, the phenomena that gives rise to the echo, is the reflection of sound. The bouncing of sound from a material surface is known as the reflection of sound. Soft surfaces such as cushions, curtains, etc. can absorb some amount of the striking sound, hence these are bad reflectors of sound. Hard surfaces are the best reflectors of sound. And the law of reflection of sound is similar to the law of reflection of light. Let's understand this more clearly with this example. Here we perform an experiment. We take two cylindrical hollow tubes, and alarm clock, a table, a reflector of sound, and a protector. First, move one of the cylindrical tube at an angle. Now take an alarm clock and place it at the mouth of tube 1. Allow the sound wave from the clock to pass through tube 1. Now move the other end of the tube 2, to catch the sound wave from tube 1. Fix tube 2 at an arbitrary angle, and you will not be able to hear the sound distinctly. Now, move the tube 2 at an angle, at which the sound is distinctly and loudly heard when ear is placed at the mouth of tube 2. Note the angle of incidence, and the angle of reflection. Here both are equal. Repeat the experiment, for different angle of incidence, to get the responding angle of reflection. In all the cases, the angle of incidence, and angle of reflection, are found to be equal, which verifies the first law of reflection of sound. That is, angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The tube 1, tube 2, and the normal, lies in the same plane of the table. So, here are the two laws of reflection of sound. The angle of reflection of sound is always equal to the angle of incidence. The incident sound, the reflected sound, and the normal to the screen at the point of incidence, all lie in the same plane.